Although Hungary is not considered a major power, it was a small military powerhouse during both world wars, inheriting a considerable industrial heritage that gave it significant creativity and productivity. With this foundation, Hungary's defense technology once flourished, particularly in land armored vehicles. Despite less technical and commercial exchanges with the outside world compared to well-known companies like Skoda, its developed products are still noteworthy. The Straussler V-3 light tank is one such unique weapon. In the 1930s, designer Straussler played a significant role in Hungary and was involved in the development of various armored vehicles, such as the AC-2 armored car. With his wealth of design experience, Straussler decided to design a type of wheeled and tracked tank, the V-3 light tank, influenced by Christie's ideas. The V-3 light tank is equipped with a 100 horsepower 4-cylinder 4-stroke gasoline engine with a dry clutch. The tank's running gear is slightly different, with the drive sprocket at the rear and the idler wheel at the front, both supporting the 950 mm diameter rubber road wheels. The unique running gear can remove the tracks, allowing the tank to travel directly on roads using the drive sprocket and idler wheel, with the idler wheel also serving as the steering wheel. The tank's armor is box-shaped, roughly divided into two parts: the front fighting compartment, including the driver's position, and the rear power compartment. The front of the tank is designed with a sloping armor, with a maximum thickness of 23 mm, 13 mm on the sides, and 9 mm on the top and bottom. The prototype had a design turret, but most tests were conducted without one. The tank's armament is weak, with only an 8 mm machine gun mounted on the vehicle. However, this is only the configuration of the turretless prototype, and the turret may be equipped with a small caliber gun and coaxial machine gun. The V-3 not only has wheeled and tracked capabilities, but also amphibious capabilities, with a 450 mm diameter propeller installed at the rear. However, the tank's buoyancy is insufficient and requires additional buoyancy boxes to be installed on both sides of the vehicle. The designer's idea was for the tank to daily tow a trailer carrying the buoyancy boxes. The tank began testing in 1935 and its performance even piqued the interest of the British. The tank achieved a top speed of 45 km/h on roads, a maximum speed of 1 km/h on water, and could climb a 40-degree slope, in light equipment, and directly cross a 0.9 m shallow ford. Although the evaluation was positive, the V-3 was more of an experimental tank and not suitable for actual combat. For example, its amphibious capability was not highly regarded, as attaching a trailer carrying buoyancy boxes during combat was not conducive to tactical maneuvers and the preparation for amphibious operations was complicated. Strictly speaking, the tank itself did not have independent amphibious capability. In addition, the tank also had problems with the front wheel steering being inflexible and the tracks being too loose, leading to detachment during off-road operations. Although the V-3 light tank was not mass-produced, many of its technological explorations were not in vain. The subsequent appearance of the V-4 light tank was a direct successor to its technology. The V-3 light tank weighed about 8 tons, planned weight would reach 12 tons, possibly with turret installation and strengthened armor, with a length of 3.64 meters, width of 2.31 meters, height of 2.01 meters, and a crew of 3.